Fresh leaks are flooding the internet just hours before the big Unpacked event, and the spotlight is firmly on the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. With very little time left until the official announcement, multiple early unboxing videos have already surfaced online, giving fans an almost complete preview of what Samsung is about to reveal. The biggest surprise comes from a brand new unboxing of the sky blue variant. The video was shared by TechnoBuzz, who posted a detailed look at the retail box along with the powered-on device. The timing could not be more dramatic, because this leak appeared only 4 to 5 hours before the official event by Samsung. Looking closely at the sky blue color, the finish appears extremely refreshing and premium. The shade is soft but still vibrant enough to catch attention. Under different lighting conditions, the color subtly shifts, giving the phone extra depth and elegance. It manages to stand out without looking flashy or overdone. This balance between bold and classy could make sky blue one of the most popular choices this year. The design itself looks very clean and modern. From the early footage, the device appears fully powered on, which gives a proper real-world preview instead of just marketing renders. The retail packaging also seems familiar, continuing Samsung's minimal and premium box design. Excitement has been building quickly because the sky blue model is not the only one that leaked early. Previously, the white version appeared online, followed by the eye-catching Cobalt Violet model. And now, another major leak has brought the black variant into the spotlight. A separate unboxing video of the black Galaxy S26 Ultra surfaced online through the Facebook page of Raj International. This retailer showcased a full retail unit being opened, giving viewers a clear look at the packaging, accessories, and the phone itself running live. What makes this situation even more surprising is that recent posts from the same retailer suggest the device may already be available for sale in Dhaka. The page is actively promoting the phone and even mentioning limited stock availability. If this information turns out to be accurate, it would mean the Galaxy S26 Ultra is already circulating in select markets before the official launch event, which is highly unusual and definitely wild. Focusing on the black color option, the device looks timeless and powerful. The matte finish gives it a stealthy and professional appearance, while also helping to reduce fingerprints. Compared to brighter colors, the black variant delivers a confident executive vibe that never goes out of style. For users who prefer a classic flagship look, this version could remain the safest and most popular choice. But the leaks do not stop there. Another unboxing video has surfaced, this time featuring the stunning Cobalt Violet version. The footage was shared by tipster Phone Nerd. Interestingly, the tipster initially labeled the device as the black model, but later clarified that it is actually the violet variant. The Cobalt Violet finish truly stands out from the crowd. This is not a simple purple tone. Instead, it carries a deep and rich color that shifts beautifully under changing light. The finish looks both elegant and powerful, giving the phone a strong flagship personality. Compared to the traditional black and white options, Cobalt Violet feels fresh and unique. It is the kind of color that immediately catches attention while still maintaining a premium feel. For users who want something different from the usual safe choices, this variant could become a fan favorite. At this stage, the number of leaks is honestly overwhelming. Multiple hands-on videos, full unboxings, and powered-on previews have already appeared online. Because of this, the official Unpacked event may have very few surprises left. Still, Samsung usually keeps a few software features and camera improvements hidden until the final presentation, so there could still be some excitement remaining. One thing is clear, anticipation for the Galaxy S26 Ultra is now at an all-time high. The combination of fresh colors, premium finishes, and early retail leaks has created massive buzz across the tech community. Whether it is the calm and modern sky blue, the bold and professional black, or the eye-catching Cobalt Violet, Samsung seems to be offering something for every type of user. With only hours left before the official reveal, all eyes are now on Samsung's Unpacked stage. The big question is whether the company still has any major surprises left, or if the internet has already revealed everything ahead of time. What are the thoughts on the sky blue, black, and Cobalt Violet Galaxy S26 Ultra? Which color looks the best? Share opinions in the comments section below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more latest leaks and tech updates.